The CT5 TIME to GO is the first battery charger in the world that shows you how long there's left to go before your battery is fully charged. Just simply connect the CT5 TIME to GO in the usual way. The red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal, or a ground point on the vehicle's body. If your vehicle has dedicated charge points, follow the instructions in the vehicle's manual to find out how to connect the battery charger. The CT5 TIME to GO has inbuilt reverse polarity protection, so don't worry if you get the clamps the wrong way round. The clamps are also spark free, so it won't matter if you accidentally touch them together. If your battery is hard to reach, you can permanently attach the supplied Connect eyelet M6 cables for quick connection to the charger. When you plug the CT5 TIME to GO into a power outlet, the green power LED lights up to show you everything's working. If you're using the CT5 TIME to GO for the first time, the orange LED lights up to show you it's in normal mode. The next time you use it, it'll start up with the last mode you selected. So leave it in normal mode for regular 12-volt lead acid batteries. Press the mode button to change to AGM mode, which is the dedicated charging program for AGM and start-stop batteries. Press the mode button again for the recon program, which will restore your battery if it's out of condition. Once you've selected the mode you want, the charging process starts and the 7 LEDs show you how long there's left to go before the battery is fully charged. If the battery was fully discharged, the orange Try LED will light when there's enough charge to safely try to start your vehicle. When the Care LED lights up, your battery is fully charged. At this point, you can leave the CT5 TIME to GO connected for long periods of time to maintain your battery and keep it in peak condition. This is the CT5 TIME to GO. Thanks for watching.